Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 12R and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using the device today. In my case it was 38 minutes, most of the time I've spent on the settings. We can also check the unlocks and the notifications count. Basically, if you want to check some further details, some more details, you've got two different ways to do that. You can tap directly inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show you the time spent on the screen in particular days, the full time, screen time or notifications received and times opened, and under it you will have the apps listed with the specific time you've spent on them. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, settings, phone, camera, Chrome, other, just tap on it and again we will have the dashboard, but this time it will be tightly connected with this one app. What is more, here you've got some ways to disconnect, and I highly recommend to check them, especially if you feel that you've got the problem with the time you are spending on the screen. You can set, for example, the focus mode or the bedtime mode, or your device will limit the notifications from particular apps of your choice. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.